She was just trying to figure out her opponent, but it's a great shot from Nurtaeva. 4-2 awarded again. Another shot from Nurtaeva and takes her over into danger. Another 4 points. Brings it up to 11-10 now, and the half Nelson drives in from Nurtaeva, and she's showing why she's senior World Championship medal caliber. Low shot from Robinson goes down to the ankle. 8 seconds left. Another low shot. She's in on the single. 5 seconds left. She's going to have to go for something big right now. And it's Nurtaeva from Kyrgyzstan coming back from behind 10-3, and she wins at 11-10. What a performance. And the woman from Kyrgyzstan, a world senior bronze, and now a world under 23 gold medal.